Hi everyone, welcome to day 3 of Mama Elephant intro videos. Today we're going to take a closer look at Summer Splash. This is illustrated by Ada Zamora. Very cute. I love this set. Also a new frame tag set. This is Frame Tags Artist Mat. So let's start off with Summer Splash. Every time there is a Ada Zamora illustrated kit, I always feel compelled to watercolor. So today I'm going to be using the Zig Real Clean Color brush markers. I'll have the colors that I used down below. I've stamped all of the images in the stamp set on the Bristol Smooth Surface cardstock using the VersaFine Onyx Black ink. I have to say I've been really enjoying using my Zig and my Artezas. I really like it. I didn't use these markers a lot before, and now that I've been using them more, I really like it. I think the part that I didn't like when I didn't use them was because I was kind of afraid of the water and bleeding and stuff. So I don't really use a lot of water, and I think with this Bristol Smooth Surface cardstock, it allows the color from the marker to lay on top of it for a while, so you can move it around with sort of like a damp water brush, and it will just kind of glide on the surface and you will get a smooth look. I'm a Copic marker girl, and I really like the control and all of that with the Copic markers, but you can achieve that same control with the Zigs. Just don't overdo it with the water, and just go slow and just make the cardstock work for you by just gliding that color on top of the paper. So I think these elephants are super fun, and I can't wait to pair this stamp set with the Beach Chickies stamp set. I think they go well together. I'm using Zigs for this card, but I noticed when I was organizing my Artezas that they do in fact have a gray marker, and it's called Elephant Gray. So I think I'm going to test that out to see if it is in fact a good gray to use for elephants. So I'm probably going to do that with my next card. So we're going to finish up with these elephants. I did use a light gray wash of color. I kind of waited for it to dry a little bit, and then I put some darker gray in areas that I think needed shading or where it looked a little flat and I thought it needed, some more texture. And now I think the color theme that I'm going to use for this is a red. So anything that I can color red is going to be red. And for the insides of their ears, I'm going to do a lighter red. I just kind of wanted to keep the color consistent throughout all of the images. And I just wanted this red to pop. I'm going to pair the Summer Splash images with the new die set, which is the Frame Tags Artist Mat. There's a set of tags included, but I'm just going to use the frame part of it. And this is the inside part of the frame, and there's this sort of landscapey abstract stamp that comes with the stamp set, and I'm just quickly making an abstract beach scene. I wanted an area where I could put the images, and I just wanted to look super abstract but still be a beach. I'm ink blending it with the Antique Linen Distress Oxide ink, and then I'm also using some Tumbled Glass Distress Oxide ink for the water. Just super easy, abstract. I just kind of wanted it to have the squiggly lines and the hint of a beach behind the animals. So I'm using the Frame Tags Artist Mat die set here. This is the scallop frame that comes with this. It's a little bit smaller than an A2 size card, and I'm just layering it on top. I know it's white on white, so it's hard to see, but I will have pictures in the end. But I just wanted to use that little frame in conjunction with my little abstract beach scene, just so I could have a nice backdrop for these images. I did cut out the images using the coordinating dies. So this is really fun. I think you could also make a really cute Father's Day card with this because it has a little daddy elephant and a little baby elephant. I really liked especially the elephant with the sunglasses, and she's super sassy. And I cut out the fan, but I forgot to put it in. So I'm just putting the balance of my images on, and then I realized I forgot my sentiment. So I'm going to stamp out the sentiment. This is from the birthday messages stamp set, which I'm obsessed with right now. And I'm just doing it really simple, just on the side there, birthday hugs and kisses. And that's my card. I'm calling this done. Super simple, but I really love that die set. I thought it went well together, and I really liked making that abstract beach scene. So here's a closer look at the Frame Tags Artist Mat. And it does come with a tag, which you see there. And it has those 4 little dies that you can use to make windows on your tag. So I thought that was really fun. So I'm going to use those windows. So I cut the tag without the windows, and then I cut one with the windows. So I'm going to ink blend the back of the tag with the Antique Linen Distress Oxide ink, and I wanted this to look super summery, so I'm using Twisted Citron for the front. And then I'm going to layer those 2 tags together so there's a window peeking into some sand. The images I'm going to use for this are the Beach Chickies stamp set. So here I'm just going to adhere it to the back of the tag, and I'm just using some tape runner for that. You could make like a shaker window or something like that, but I wanted to keep this super simple. I also like that there's a place where you can put string. And then I'm going to stamp out the sentiment, and it's from the Birthday Messages stamp set. I think I just really like that stamp set because it comes with different sizes of sentiments, and sometimes I like a big bold sentiment, and sometimes I like my design and the images to stand out more. So it's nicer to have the smaller sentiments, and you could also stamp them out on the inside of the card. So I did have some extra images of the Beach Chickies, and those are the images that I'm going to use to decorate the windows of the card. It's going to be super simple. I'm going to glue the umbrella, and with the rest of the images I will be using double-sided foam tape just so they're popped up and it has a little bit of dimension. And of course I had to use the mermaid chickie image, and I really like this one too that I just laid down. So cute. I just loved working with this stamp set. So adorable. Here's a final look at the summary cards that we made using the Summer Splash stamp set, as well as the Frame Tags Artist Matte dies. I absolutely love these products. Also, the Beach Chickies made an appearance. We looked at those stamps at day 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the Mama Elephant YouTube channel, and make sure to tap on that bell to be notified of future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.